Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to Medicine Lake. We are 1v1ing my brother-in-law, Dylan Moore, and we'll see if he beats me in the first of 10 bass. I'll catch you guys on the water, and yeah, let's pound this challenge off.
Fish.
Oh,
shit. Okay. Let's go, baby.
No, it should be fine. Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
I need the net. 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 I need the net.
Hold on, this is cool.
I need the net. I don't care about the school.
Okay.
Oh my fucking God.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Holy shit. 5 pounder. 5 pounder.
Oh my God.
5 pounder.
Gotta be 5.
Dude, there was like 4 of them. Big ass ones right there.
Dude, I might break my PB today actually. Okay. Keep going.
Where's my
4 pounder. It's a 4 pounder.
Where's my big caster?
It's a 4 pounder. Ow. It's 4 pounder.
That one. No. Oh. You don't need a net. Hey, that's 1.
Did you look at it?
Yeah, nope.
Really?
Oh, you are fast. Ow, ow.
Don't forget to show the camera too.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, hi people.
Yeah, you can show it.
Just a chance.
We're gonna call water so I can actually help you. Okay. Show the camera?
2 pounds.
Right here.
Here you go. 2 pounder.
Okay.
Find out on the
Wait.
scatter.
Okay, ready?
No, let me work the grass.
Oh, are you looking at that?
No.
It's not bad.
Oh shit, there was a crane right there. I almost cast it in his face. Got him! On the fucking floor! Give me that shit! Woo! Come on!
Nice.
And I think I got the hook set. There is no way to cheat. Yeah! You want a fish, guys? Your hair's kind of loppy. Oh, screw you.
You got lucky. Bump up to 6. Ooh, look at that school. Big fish.
Right in front of us. Might be a school sign.
Maybe. You're suspended.
Got one, ain't it?
Yep.
Whoa!
No, I don't need that. I hooked them. Where you going, bud?
It might be bigger than we thought.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it sounds like a good nut job.
No, it's okay. No, it's just a fighter. It's a fighter. Ow, ow, ow. I need another worm. All right, fish number 4. Yep, number 4. Yep, go release this guy. Thank you for. Thank you. Back to the depths.
Oh, come on. Cooperate. I got at least 50 worms. You started catching some?
Yeah, a decent one though. My worm!
Oh, you just put that on?
I just put that on. We counted this one? Yeah, might as well.
Yeah. No.
He's thickened. That's number 5.
Too small.
That's bigger than your fish.
So?
This is fine. We counted the other. My other one was like this too.
No, it wasn't. It was longer.
No, my other one was just like that. We'll just stay in the calm area.
Whoa. Don't water, right?
Yep, trolling motor. Cut that all on video.
That was good.
Dude, it looks like the same bass I caught earlier. It looks derpy.
Derpy.
Hi guys, you wanna go fishing?
Oh, dude, it just popped out. Oh.
Dude,
Yeah, too.
show it to me. Show it to me.
Look at
Here, come.
Look at it.
Dude, it looks so funny.
Derpy. It's derpy.
Throw this in. Whew, that was windy. Holy crap.
Oh, deep.
Yes, it is. So I said we should try back here. Hello?
That's 10.
That's number 10. Yes, baby. Dude, it slapped me.
Slapped you.
Ow!
Get him! Bastard. Oh,
All right,
that's 10.
number 10
The battle.
fish that we were supposed to catch earlier that we lost the footage, so. Oh,
What?
oh.
What?
Look,
What?
it's pissing.
Nice. It likes you.
Ah, feisty little guy. See, told you we should have went to this back cove.
That's probably the fault.
All right, guys, we finished the challenge of doing what I guess I took it by a mile. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There was a lot of small bass catches, but we didn't count them because we felt that it doesn't count. So that's why we just said next fish after that, whichever one counts. But yeah, don't forget to, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below if you want to see more challenges like this. Like, I had a blast filming it and having all the crazy stuff that happened today. That was funny. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Peace, y'all. Safety chain. You're not gonna be able to do it. take your shot, pour yourself your shot. Your napa shot.
Man of my word.
That's not how I shot, boy. Alright, you good, you good.
Man of my word.
Get your chaser ready.
Man of my word. I got beat. Congratulations. Cheers. Oh God.
What you say?
Salty. Woo. Not even that fishy. It's just salty. Oh.